I'm lighting a candle tonight because I got some very bad news yesterday. My next door neighbor passed away, and he was very good to me. He helped me. We talked, and he was going to be dearly missed. I'm very upset about this. So, just wanted to say that he was the best neighbor I've ever had as an adult, and I'm gonna miss him, and I'm gonna miss our conversations. But I know Joe. I know he's gonna be watching over us all, everybody he cared about. So Joe, I'm gonna dedicate this next video to you. Although this next video won't be taking place for a little while. The Central Florida Fair, when I go to that series is going to be dedicated to Mr. Joe Kearney. Till we meet again, my friend.